So I've got some crusty transistors here, and I was trying to figure out whether I should keep them or whether I should throw them away. I was kind of leaning towards throw them away, but I might save one because maybe you have some piece of equipment that really needs it. They are IRF130s. So they're like lots of amps, N-channel FETs. And so I thought we'd open one up and take a look at it. Figured, well, that's what I'll do with one of them at least. So I'm going to use one of these clamps. I don't know if you've seen these clamps before, but we will put one sort of like this and take it over to the bench grinder and kind of take the bench grinder around the lip and grind that off, and then that top section should pop off. These are called a TO3 package, and generally used for the big heatsink. But yeah, let's see if we can't get it open. So I was able to grind around the edge here, and now I have this little flap of metal here, which I can maybe just kind of wiggle a couple times, and it'll fall off. Feels like it's about to fall off. There it goes. And so inside we have some bond wires and a little chip. So let's get it under the microscope and see what we can see. All right, there we go. You can see the chip, and here are the two posts for the transistor in a glass hermetic seal. So we have them coming over. See if I can focus on that chip a little better. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And let's try a different light source. That's with the ring light. All right, so I'm going to use this flashlight and bring it in from the side. I don't know if you can see that. There's a kind of a waffle pattern to these dies. Let's see if I can't get any closer with this microscope. There we go. That's better. So we can see the die better here. And let me try a different light source. Maybe we can see the pattern, or maybe not. I can't really see it here in the camera. It's obvious when you look through the eyepieces, so I won't know until I edit this film if you can see that or not. But yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, not sure.